Tag, tag, tag. Okay? So today is second day of our practice. So it's time for water break. So our drink for today is Mogo Mogo. So again, 이도우지님 감사합니다. Tired. May kape ka? May kape ka nga?
Annyeonghaseyo. Since you were not around during live earlier, please pick your snacks. We have ice cream, banana, lumpia, and soft drinks. These are from Ora Chachanim.
Ora Chachanim, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
And Kim Yong Sunim.
Kim Yong Sunim, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
And also, today is birthday of Anika. So, nitreat siya ninyo og drinks. Say thank you to Anika.
Thank you, Anika.
Okay. Kuha na mo sa usa. So this is the outcome of our project by Gagumduri Tinjangnim. Your windows, so here. So we have the gallons both sides because we avoid the dogs and cats going inside since it's wet yesterday. So this time the stairs here. So parents are here. Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, so here, the other side. So sa pagyapon kay ang mga silingan kay nagpiesta every Sunday. Okay, so parents, thank you so much for your full support to our project by Gagumduri Tinjangnim, and I am so grateful to all of you for volunteered and cooperating to finish this. Pila ka days?
4 days.
4 days? Ika 5 days karon. So ang ika 5th day kay kana man ko ano, stairs na lang. So since I am so thankful to all of you also our kinsay man ani, si Kuya Roger ug si Papa Iti ug si kinsa pa? Kuloy Web. Oh wow, thank you. So since thankful jud kayo ko no ninyo. So all of this, so karon nakita naman ninyo nga human na finish na no. So our event will be peaceful. Nindot na pud kayo tong event area. Happy ra mo dili? Happy! Also, nga ato ang students dinhi kani nga area, pwede gyud nila magamit. They can use it any activities they want. Diba? So, comfortable ra pod ang mga students. Diba, teachers? Okay ra mo diha, teachers? Nasluyon, teachers. Okay, so, again, we are so grateful to Gegum Durinim.
Gegum Durinim, kamsahamnida.
Ne, kamsahamnida. Thank you.
Bye.
Hindi mo gamit, ma'am. Okay ka, ma'am? Ako sa i-try, mama, i-cover namin available color niya. I-silver naman. Darkness yan.
Want to eat gift natin? So we bought a tempered glass as well for Kuya Adrian cell phone. Ambil ka Kuya? Lunch juga ni siya. So, if mag-drive ka og sikad, Kuya, muha na lang nang i-save ang money hub for your education, okay? Para na lang na bayron na mo sa school, expenses, liti, kaon, snacks, ha? Kaya you've already have cellphone, man. Diba? You've saved money. So, ayaw na lang to gastuwa, okay? Muha na to allowance.
Samsung
A03.
171.
Apin namin kami.
Amo na siya license.
Buak.
Ang buwak ba? Bago na siya.
And then, muon ba na siya yung pamilisan?
Oo, mo na siya.
So, the repair fee for this one is 1,500 and the instruction of Sir Vicky is 1,000 below. But if 1,500, delay na. Okay, so your decision is? What's your decision now? So, sige. Thank you, Kuya. Annyeonghaseyo. So, you already have your cell phones, right? Okay, so show me your cell phone, Andrea. So, this is Samsung A05. 128 gigabytes. So, it costs 6,190. And then, how about the casing? You will just buy at the Shopee. How about you, Kuya? Tecno. So, this is Tecno. And 128 gig as well. Okay, so, this is the receipt of Kuya Adrian. Pila ni Kuya? 4,698. This is including the casing and tempered glass. So, kani kay free earphones. So, your cell phones are from? Okay, so always remember that no one will use your cell phone, okay, or borrow, ha? It is only you who will use your cell phone. And do not be addicted to cell phone, especially you, Kuya, ha? Daily magsigig duwa, ha? Okay? Use it for your studies, okay? As well as you, Ate Andrea. Do not break your phone. Kasabot, handle your cell phone with care, okay? And use it in a good way. Sabot? Okay. Kamsahamnida handle ni... Ay, udi ay, kanidi ay. So, we were not able to repair since the cost of repair fee. So, since the instruction of Sir Vicky, if it will exceed to 1,000 pesos, cancel. But if it is 1,000 below, it's okay. But since it's 1,500, so we were not able to repair. Okay, sige. So, that is the update. And thank you so much, Handoni.